I'm Jane King. At the NASDAQ, Chipotle shares slide as its E. coli problems spread to more states.
I'm Scott Gamm. It's Merger Monday for Keurig Green Mountain.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler. The market's ready for a rate hike, according to one Fed official.
Well, stocks did open lower today after that monster rally back on Friday. However, Chipotle shares are under pressure. It warned investors that if sales woes stemming from an E. coli outbreak continue, the Mexican restaurant chain will report a steep drop in same-store sales for the current quarter. The outbreak, which originally led to the closure of 43 restaurants in Oregon and Washington, has since expanded to 9 states, and 47 of the 52 people affected say they ate at the popular burrito chain before falling ill.
Jane, what's up on the earnings front today?
Well, it is the start of ski season, so Vail Resorts reported a narrower loss in the latest quarter as the ski resort operator reported better than expected revenue growth on stronger season pass sales for the coming winter season and a higher percentage of destination guests. And we're also watching Pep Boys. It opened higher here today on news that activist investor Carl Icahn has taken a 12% stake in the company. We're also, of course, watching oil. Crude oil prices fell further below $40 a barrel, adding to last week's slide that was partly triggered by OPEC's decision to keep crude production running at current levels. And Scott, there is some deal news out today as well.
Plenty of deal news this morning. We begin with Keurig Green Mountain, which will be purchased by a group of investors led by JAB Holding, a private investment company, for $13.9 billion or $92 a share, nearly 80% higher than the coffee brewing company's stock price on Friday. And by the way, Coca-Cola has about a 17% stake in Keurig and backs the deal. We're also following news out of GE this morning. The industrials giant calling off a $3.3 billion deal to sell its appliance unit to Electrolux, which sent shares of the Swedish appliance maker tumbling. While GE agreed to the sale back in September of last year, it became clear that the deal wouldn't get the green light from U.S. regulators. Rhonda?
Lots going on this morning, and markets are also paying close attention to more Fed speak today. Earlier on CNBC, Atlanta Fed President Dennis Lockhart said the financial markets are well prepared for a rate hike, and Lockhart added that he sees a gradual path of interest rate hikes once that first one occurs. Later today, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard speaks on the economy in Indiana. The Fed, of course, holds that much-anticipated two-day meeting next week. That's it for us. Remember to keep checking in with TheStreet.com all throughout the day.